Guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to categorize cash and check payments in Nerdwallet. If you made a purchase with cash or wrote a check that isn't showing up automatically, well, here's how to manually categorize those payments in Nerdwallet to keep your budget accurate and complete. First, log into your account at nerdwallet.com, and then from your dashboard, you want to head over to the Transactions tab. Then look for the button or link that's labeled Add Transactions, or it could be labeled Manual Entry. Just click on it to open a form where you can log details of your cash or check payments. Enter the date, amount, and a short description like cash payments for groceries or a check for rent, whatever it is. And next, you're gonna choose the account, the account that the money came from. For example, it could be cash wallets or bank accounts that you track offline. Now comes the important part. Select the correct category for the transaction. Nerdwallet will give you a list like groceries, rent, utilities, entertainment, medical, and so on. Just pick the one that fits best. This ensures that the payment is reflected in your budgets and spending reports. Once done, hit save. Your manually added transaction will now appear alongside your synchronized ones, fully integrated into your charts, trends, and budget totals. This small steps keeps your financial picture accurate even when tech can't track every dollar. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. If you liked it, if you found the information here useful enough, then like, share, and subscribe for more Nerdwallet tutorials that help you budget smart. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.